District Legal Services Authority Imphal West amadi Radio Loktak anina puthokchaba legal talk show asigi kunganithoi suba episode asibu tabiriba amadi live streaming tangda ming tabiriba punamapu ahanba maktada taramna oksari ngasigi legal talk show asida thamjariba topic asi yamna khangjinbada yamna kanaraba topic amani hairiba topic asi kanagumba miyoi amana Zoan Piba, Havedi, Kota, Statement Piba, Trial Zatariba, Yes Amada, Havedi, Wayan Bisa, Zatariba, Yes Amada, Aranba, Sumdaba, Lana Hazinba, Aduga Lana Wasakba, Lana Wasaaga, Sumi Haina Hazinba, Aduga, Kota, Lana, Statement Piba Gimatanga, Kanazagadabani, Nasigi Tamzeriba topic, na, Law of Perjury Habasini. Ngasigi tokso asida expert oina lengsin biriba ikai khumnazarba Sri Namoizam Ibotombi Singh Senior Advocate loinana hauji High Court Bar Association gi President gi thau oina pubiri babu District Legal Services Authority Imphal West amadi Radio Loktak ani gi maikedi expert pu taramna oksiri expert ahanbada aina thamjaningiba question asi akoina law of perjury haidana akoina haire law of perjury na hairiba akoigi yamna akoina sadharan praja miyamnadi akoina masi karino haibasimadi akoina khangdaba aduga yamna tabadasu akoina yamna common oina taba wahidi oidaba aduna hairiba akoina perjury haidana hairibasi karino haibasima expert na ngasi miyamda tang Sandokna Tambinaba Tamjari.
Musta Hoigi Lokta Radio Amusung Hoigi Anchor Vipa Hoigi colleague Supriyabu Aina Hana Krumjari. Hujikla Evokerosi what is perjury in Indian law? Have you explained to the Matanga? When Hamada when Kangadamusi. We have to know the history of perjury. Perjury si karino. Haibasi hana koi ama kangbo machangi. Perjury haibadi canonic is a crime of lying under oath. I did wasa aba matungda koi crime ama toba. And this is a very serious offense. Right. Because it can derail the basic goal of the justice system. I nang sagi evidence false evidence ama piro the sagi chumna lakalo ba koi Ganosi
Wild Bizarre.
A wild bizarre Lana, Topa Jagama, Chaki Gadova. Other even Masigi Ganosi perjury, even the famous and the powerful peoples, they also have to face the consequences of perjury, which include prosecution, more prosecutor way, jail Thambay, even a Toba Garomo or take for example, Pamazo by Mazu, impeached away. My Hujiki, my perjury. Actually, historically, young but perjury defined the lying while testifying in the court. Court Joban Bimatamda, Lan Hajinba. Sini. Aruga the Hujikti. The Hujikti perjury Ganosi Yamno Choctore, Aham, the court testified over Matamda. Lan Hajin Business Gano or me. Hujikna. Not only the trial, but also in many proceedings, take for example, family court matter, bail hearing, and Mayam Suzuki perjury when courts can see Piragadi, which prosecutor wear. In fact, perjury as a crime is not stated in the Indian Penal Code. In Indian Penal Code, the perjury have a YC. The crime referred to is false evidence. False evidence people behind IPC da masi defined away. Perjury had a defined away. Say take for example, judicial proceeding amada intentionally false evidence piraba or natraga false evidence fabricate toraba for the purpose of being used in any stage of a judicial proceeding. I corner a judicial proceeding of season with them. Evidence fabricate is called giving false evidence. Significantly, under IPC.
Right.
Oh,
yam nungaire akoina hoji perjury haibasi karino haibasima akoina tare akoi ngasigi expert na yam phajana akoigi sadokna takpire akoina perjury na hairagadi akoina lanna haijinba false statement aranba statement court haijinba aruga lanna wasakpa haibadi akoina court piriba evidence khudimasi before giving the statement akoi hana lowi lobo matamda akoini short par laga wasa ini hairiba mayam sinsigi ona tainabada akoina lanna statement piba taragadi masi agi matungina akoigi proceeding prosecute toba yai hajana haibigre yam nungaire ado akoina karigumba lanna hairiba akoigi akoigi bisina false statement je pire na khalla kada akoina magi punishment khadi lakani ado akoina punishment si akoina india karamba akoigi section gi makhada lakadage haibasi matang sida somtang mayamda thojona sandokna thambi
tagajai hujik akoigi karagmamna hujiki false evidence piragadi akoigi section 191 of the Indian Penal Code masigi kanosi umay toroga masi kano tawgadage phatu pigade khokadage haibasi 191 na deal toy say for example section 191 harisi giving false evidence under oath which he believes to be false and still makes it knowing its falsehood. Say for example akoigi a ko bonupa mana in fact masi koi oath loro matung masi he is duty bound to state the truth masi aseng basi haiga do da man haire ai jet ki signature se ai khangi and man jet ki signature to sin na ta but in fact madu jet ki signature dina teba man this ai jet ki signature khangi aruga sidel tawriba soya si jet ki signature ni haina mana court si da mana kano si pireba aro in fact madi aseng badi jet ki signature si madi khang bana teba only to help somebody mana jet ki signature si magi jet ki signature ni haijin bane ba masi matang se a is giving false evidence hari man sukang khang da ba ama jet ki soi sukang khang da ba mana si jet ki soi ni haina court statement people under oath the pbc masi it's amounts to giving false evidence sima again number 2 the set for example translator a ko woman lai he is to translate a document man translators document translate to dini ko ye urdu rai ramadu man english translate to rena khabir for example but man lana ujiki document si lana translate to with the knowledge that the same is wrong I think asai khangna mana lana toksile ujiki kano se in fact he is bound by oath to translate truly jamna chumong da to do man lana khangna man masi kind of toxin sigi station su it amounts to giving false evidence by a zai translator se sin hoji kano lai se ko giving false evidence section 191 of the Indian Penal Code na haisi
jadi akoina kanagumba na expert na takpikre madudi akoina statement piba matamda akoigi khangdaba pot ama aina khangdre na haiba taragadi magi signature nataga any kaino leirami ba mayam se khangde na hai taragadi akoi chumna khangde na dum piragadi chumna chakhigane ba adu natada na haiba any signature siki signature si khangbra si kanagi signature oibno kaina harakanda sungkang khangdena adugi ni kaina ge haijin base sisu akoina sungkang kang haijin base sisu akoina aina yadaba ama oibani na ma sisu aini matungina akoigi statement pibani haidana lakadoineba false statement pibani haidana aduna akoina sigi magi kariguma false statement piba taragadi akoina magi mathang se sina akoina proceedings kara akoina lokhatkani dana si karamba akoigi karamba mongda kamai toroga magi proceedings se lokhatpa yagani si batang sida
proceeding dugi mamang la chube garona enkan haibi du uji kalag manupa mana false statement si pire false evidence court pire Actually, he is liable to be punished under Section 193 of the Indian Penal Code. Section 193, the hierarchy, whoever intentionally gives false evidence. Whoever intentionally, they use the word intentionally, gives false evidence in any stage of a judicial proceeding. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ judicial proceeding ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕꯅ ꯈꯪꯅ false evidence ꯄꯤꯔꯒꯗꯤ he is liable to be punished with imprisonment for either discipline for a term which may extend to 7 years for magi kanosi dandi pibe yang sai false evidence piba misi and also liable and shall also be liable to fine to sai tere ki sai tere po phadok pibe sai ama pibe ya the judge ki discretion le sai any pibe ai ahum pibe but the punishment is sai tere po ki pibe ai sini hujik le sai tere po ki phadok pibe ya ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯜꯁ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯏꯚꯤꯗꯦꯟꯁ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯗꯨ
ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯣꯜꯁ ꯏꯚꯤꯗꯦꯟꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯣꯔꯠꯇ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯤ ꯈꯪꯅ ꯋꯤꯠ ꯏꯟꯇꯦꯟꯁꯟ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯋꯤꯠ ꯏꯟꯇꯦꯟꯁꯅꯦꯜꯂꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯈꯪꯅ ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯈꯪꯅ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯏꯚꯤꯗꯦꯟꯁ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯥꯏꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯗꯟꯗꯤ ꯐꯪꯉꯤ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯐꯪꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯗꯟꯗꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯌꯥꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ 7 years ꯐꯪꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯣꯔꯠꯇ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯌꯦꯜ ꯕꯤꯆꯥꯔ ꯆꯠꯊꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯃꯦꯟ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯖꯣꯕꯥꯟꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯜꯁꯦ ꯆꯠꯊꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯜ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯝꯗꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯂꯥꯟꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯃꯦꯟ ꯄꯤꯈꯤꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯁꯤ ꯗꯟꯗꯤ ꯐꯪꯈꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯑꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯔꯥꯟꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯃꯦꯟ ꯄꯤꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯔꯠꯇ ꯑꯔꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯖꯣꯕꯥꯟꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯏꯟꯇꯦꯟꯁꯟ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯑꯥꯏꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯗꯟꯗꯤ ꯐꯪꯉꯤ 7 years ꯐꯪꯉꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯃ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯈꯪꯖꯤꯟꯕꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯔꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯥꯔꯠꯇ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯤꯗꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯖꯨꯗꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯤꯗꯤꯡꯁ ꯀꯥꯏꯅꯒꯁꯨ ꯈꯔ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯖꯨꯗꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯤꯗꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯈꯖꯤꯛꯇꯪ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ IPCꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯖꯨꯗꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯤꯗꯤꯡꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯄꯜꯂꯤꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯜ before the court of justice means chief judicial magistrate section judicial magistrate first class mayam magistrate mayam lady sigi trial before the court of justice aduga trial before a court martial hari army gi su moi court martial to ba na mi ma moi gi mi ma halure moi gi under the army act moi si kano prosecute to matam da moi gi chathari ba court martial proceeding su modu su trial le na koi judicial proceeding na lowi adagi number 3 da any investigation directed by court of justice means koi court sina direction ma piraga kanagum authority ma da nang sigi matang sida kanoma investigation ma to haina koi court sina se take for example chief judicial magistrate na direction ma pire Mr. X da sumai to na sigi kano sigi matang da nang inquiry ma to nang investigation ma chatho haina do ngasai kano si chete for example Mr. B se khalle court na mauna investigation to na court na haire court ar B si di court na te ar su court ki direction ma tu mana investigation to ribni to bu sida karagum sakhi sina laga madu da ma na false evidence pira ko su madu judicial proceeding ona lawni ngasai B kano si Mamang da mana joban P bisda B in fact B is not a judicial officer. B is not a court of justice. B is not a presiding officer of the court martial. Natti natraga su court ki direction amagi matungina torpunina maduda false evidence pira su madu it will come within the meaning of judicial proceeding. Say take for example a koba nupa mada officer ma karo so course na ma si depict to ascertain the spot or on the spot the boundary land is khale corner is mamang da saki sa mayam lore lo matam da sai saki lo bisna ot torgmana joban bi matam da lan haji lagadi masu hojiki kano si ngasagi kano si hojiki giving false evidence gi maral lei mang sai court si a si court order su court na direct court na haibadagi tawbani na say court judicial proceeding and dim tony and any inquiry is a stage of judicial proceeding. A has given false evidence law in treat tony masi bana false statement period. Take for example, investigation was directed by law. Preliminary canoma to when high to a proceeding before the Court of Justice. Court pending well labor case among matang the court now as you can see preliminary inquiry to when Tadare. Mashishu judicial proceeding alone. Though the investigation may not take before the Court of Justice. Court the investigation to the court me my point or direction period me to me to give false evidence period. Madu Mr. X officers can see court of judicial proceeding and long machine. Say for example, a Kogunupama mana in an inquiry before a magistrate for the purpose of ascertaining whether Z ought to be committed for trial. Magistrate ki court amada Z have no passy Tragi the Muktamasi commit over the high matam sida, which a high pasina. He makes an ought a statement. Roma Masam Kangeva, man high mistakes around when they have say. Madu Masi Matang with the bottom, Sagi can see Master Ki Kanoda Mana Piba Senmenu, Madu judicial proceeding Loni. Aruga Madu Madura Ena Lana people, false statement people, Madu it amounts to giving false evidence. And the Masu is liable to be prosecuted under the Indian Penal Code.
Then okay, judicial proceedings ki matangda habedi court chi akoigi trial case sama sathari false statement period and hybrid signal levitaragadi during the pendency of the trial says that so preliminary inquiry amadum sathaba yai hybrid
understood like Masigi Matang the section 195 of the Code of Criminal Procedure da say concerned court false statement people concerned court to the he can make a complaint in writing to a competent court. Amada Tongan trial Chatagado court Amada said it may be the magistrate first class having the jurisdiction. It may be judicial magistrate or it may be the judicial magistrate first class, but having the jurisdiction of Gedama. Mana complainama Hujiki court the complainama lost away in case of giving false evidence. But Mashishu can only complain had the laws of before filing the complaint before the magistrate, the court concerned it's a have to make an inquiry, preliminary inquiry amount of Wumchangi. Preliminary inquiry to which the man my finding a man at the period Magi Machina my false statement pigre, false evidence pigre, CC legre, portrait, Sakime and Lormatunda. Man Madui recordma, Tormatunda, the course of the Magi preliminary inquiry is a massive police evidence period have a financial ergadi. Immediately the say courtina say complain in writing the Master of first class having the jurisdictions the Manakadosi complaint Tharani. Tharamatunda Masai accused or about say false statement evidence period accuse. Marchi for appearance before that magistrate Hujiki court concern courtina sufficient security Lorga. I hang ma most minister to character gadi. Hybrid Namagi security period bonda Lupala Lamagi or listening and listening tragi and the Toroga. Mashi bind to be Aduga. Not only that, non available offense of Mako Torogadi. Courtina Adum Mishi Adum Jela Messi custody the fishing give. I did me to build a Tabuki and a Tava. Messi custody the Sigi mission custody man offense committed is non-available offense and I consider it necessary. So I'm sending this accused to your custody. Had a magistrate the man of block Tagivia. I do not have that. Who you can say false evidence period which he finding ama laisi saki khara lor matung da laibni witness khara examine tor matung da examine toriba saki adagi hayeng koji ki magistrate court joban piki do mayam se moi mayam si su koji ko na dum hoji ki concern court na hoji ki masim bind toroga dum e noi si ki magistrate sida noi hayeng joban piki do budi noi ka ga do ri court ka do ri habisi kanosina akoi ki sagi concern magistrate na dum sagi kanosing si saki piki do mayam si moi na bind tok chalaga akoi ki magistrate of first class sida dum kan lo ki kano to bi ai si no jik lai ba kano si second 195 read with 185 of the criminal procedure court, read with section 340 of the criminal procedure coaching matungina.
Adunadi, Hoji Akoina Kanagumana false statement pipa taragadi, Akoina during Akoki trial settle game Manunda, Adum Magi Matakta, Excel Loraga, Aduga Sagi step false statement Piriba, Missing Matata, Akogi, Amu inquiry Jataba Habasi, Yai Aduga, Kaigumamana, Magi Maransi, am South Ledam Bataragadi, have the signable Bataragadi, Akogi, Belda, have the Akotan bellable, non bellable levels, the Belda Bawa, Hatupa Yadaba, Yadi, Habamasu, Yaurieva. Not Oziga high was Gimatang Daddy. Masi Kaiguma, Koyam Sauna, Signaba, Sienaba, or Bataragadi. Maduma Koginan Belevel ni Habadi Hadopayadi Hydrozu lay Yam Lungai, Hoji Kogi expert na Takpigre, Masigi Matang says the Kogi Karagumana, Kogi Pol system and Piva Taragadi, Akoina trials attending a Manunga, Kogi Maski Mataka, more inquiries at Tabaya Hydena, Mustapigre, Yam Lungai. Other Hoji Akoina. Perjury matang says the Queen of the Nainare, Adi Kanagumana, Queen of Force, statement Pipa Tarba, Aduga, Machina Piriba statements in America, Aquina Atopa, Kanagumba, Havadi, Akogi, accused Kanaguma case, some certain either, accused Havadi case to give accused to 80%. Sigi Jimana Force statement Pipa America, Masi, so Adum, Kogi, innocent Havadu, Oiraga. Habadi Sukang Kanjada, Akogi land of Missy, Alan Beni, Habisita Halakanda, Masi, Akogi conviction Pangiba, Siba, Nataka, life imprisonment, Nataka, Monaka, Mayama Toropasu, Yaw the Banate. At the Sigi Matang that the Akogi Sigi Mataxes that Kasaka Alan Nangibra, Akogi force system in Piribasa, Sigi Mataxi that the Karamba Makagi, Akoina actions in Lobaya, again, Sigi Matang.
For statement PBC, I did Suhana among the Hijack, section 1 Canada 194 Chaitra 193 the Chaitra Padu Tabaya Higre. I do not have the Hujikla IC Amna Nuavamna, second 194 IPC the highest now. Masagi Aina ports. Statement period evidence period me see conviction fangre of capital offense.
Right.
Adu orgadi I hujiki false statement period me see capital offensive fangre. Adu orgadi I see hujik accommodate false evidence P have si kono proof orgadi I see sahi taragi imprisonment for life. Life life on adum jail lebi ay natraga rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extend to 10 years, and also shall also be liable to fine. Hybrid, I false evidence the Miyama conviction of capital offense conviction period corner. Madura false system and evidence people Pangivina, I should have Maduki prosecutor and I should Marale Magadi, I should live imprisonment of PBA or arrive for a term which may extend to 10 years. Aduna Tavada, Hujiki, I statement people give me see conviction Pange, Arugamasi, Gano Masi Halu Kolo Hana Porki Kaloma Patokre, Misi. Akumada, I know for statement people give to when have Kagamatanda. Sagima among Sagi accused Havada Amagi and other Pangi, Mana Pangibakanodo. Aduma, I should Pangeba. Death sentence period mean I false evidence be I should power I should death sentence PBI or that life is very period life is very PBI. See the life section 194 now is high. Again 195 to show I'm a period show 195 to Harrisna of the IPC the Harrisna whoever intentionally gives false statement with intent to procure conviction of offense punishable with imprisonment for life or imprisonment for a term of 7 years or award. I false statement, intentionally false statement, I'm a period conviction period. Imprisonment for life or imprisonment for a term of 7 years or award. Issue Madura Mala, issue Kasai Pangiba, me Madura Pangiba, say life imprisonment or life imprisonment. 7 years period, 7 years, 9 years period, 9 years. I say for 7 people, I just home to ever. I say, see the music like take for example, I cannot be again. Ego Nupamana, a port civilization, Pire, Kota. The Jets Manto Masi, Dequity, can only dequite money, Adunamana, have the port statement people give Jets convictory, Dequity Giganosida. Punishment of dacoity is the imprisonment for life or RI for a term which may extend to 10 years with or without fine. I na false statement evidence people me si padok tagibni dacoity padok si tagibni haigadi me do na kanodo I am A is liable to imprisonment for life or imprisonment with or without fine. She's man phangni haba. Man haibadi me do padok tagibni na.
Yam nungaire, Hosik, Akogi, expanded Tafide, Madudi. Aina, Habadi Kanaguma, Amane for statement Piriba, Sportsta, for your case, Amagamari Lane, statement Piriba Nupasina, Manalana, for your statement Pibis in a Maram or the Kanda, Azagi, innocent or the bar, accused Nupasi, Mazid Dundee, capital punishment or any life imprisonment, Natraka, any manner than the Yama Pangreva. Still, I'll talk about the manner. For statements that people in a maram or a kanda, according as I accuse Siguma Makagi than this Pangivani have a sick Hangapatagadi, according as I false statement people to pass issue, was I accuse in a Pangiva than the Chapman and a Pangani have a weapons in the go, who's the expert, not something said. Yam no I. Akwina, I'm a katana, I know question, Amaga Mohanzani is in a Kogi Mayam, no less or in a bar, Akuzani, but Tanzania questions now. Kanaguma amana porta statement piba matamda kogi mana kogi insist over habitat nang horen statement piba matamda sigi wa haise nang si nar pa yaroi adagi si to wa yaroi kana mawanda akogi lan na tawna na mawanda injal laga hayenba sigumba su adum yawdaba natte kaigumba mawanda samna hayakana threaten tawba nang kaigumba nang na horen sigi haida kaigumba si hek haida taragani nang hatkani natraga nang adu tawani kaina manika kihan ba kholamba sigumagi mayam singsisu adum marakta akogi yawramba taragadi masigi matangdadi kari kari koina lokhatpa yai sigi matang sisu adang thampiya spot
sigi matang sisu akogi ekana habirba yawramba yai nate masi huji huji su dum thoi ba kenoni akogi mi amana threaten toroga nang si khunggodawni evidence asengba du natabda false evidence CP ga dawni haina mi ma threaten toroga kihelaga mi sinamna course pe helagadi masagi threaten toriba A se A na B da haire nang na si khumdragadi nang karo tawni khodi na man kihelaga nang si khumu haina B da toroga B na khungre A na threaten tobdi A si masagi karo si B na false evidence B ga haibasi khangpade di A threaten toriba A masamuk si sumasu kanone he is liable to be punished with imprisonment for either for a term which may extend to 7 years, or with fine, or with both. Aduga, ngasai false statements in a misi conviction fange, and in consideration the death with death penalty big record ngasai economy innocent person. The person who threatened, say ASA, shall be punished with the same punishment. Say I'm the death big regana. Mongona uji AC death punishment kano si period ni mongona same punishment se sini uji lai kano si
adudi akoina punishment se piba matamda ngasagi false statement pina na bagi damakta kanagumba miyo amana mana akoi threaten tawdana pihan gireba ado ngane threaten tawdana pigibani haibase khangapa taragadi ngasagi nupasi accuse hanagi accuse habidi innocent accuse habitare base conviction phangre death penalty or any phangre ado ngasagi statement ꯄꯤꯔꯨꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯐꯪꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ statement ꯄꯤꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯗꯤ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ threaten ꯇꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯐꯪꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ statement ꯄꯤꯔꯨꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯁꯤꯗꯤ punishmentꯁꯤ ꯐꯪꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯐꯪꯉꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗ
ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯆꯨꯝꯃꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯡꯀꯔꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯁꯨ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯜꯁ evidence 마수 ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯥꯅ threaten ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯥꯕꯨ ꯀꯤꯍꯜꯂꯒ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯨꯐꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯈꯖꯤꯛꯇꯪ ꯈꯔ controversy ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯥꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯇꯧꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯗꯤ ꯊꯥꯡꯒꯩ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯃꯥꯗꯤ false evidence ꯃꯥꯅ ꯄꯤꯖꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯕ he was threatened to give the false evidence ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ threaten ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯗꯨꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯐꯥꯗꯣꯛ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯃꯥ ꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯗꯣꯛ ꯇꯥꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯇꯥꯔꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯈꯖꯤꯛꯇꯪ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯥ ꯇꯥꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯇꯥꯔꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯁꯦꯛꯁꯟ 195 ꯑꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯜꯁ evidence ꯄꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯐꯥꯗꯣꯛ ꯄꯤꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯗꯤ 195 ꯑꯦꯅꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ only threaten ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯗꯨꯗꯪ ꯐꯪꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ 195 ꯑꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯤꯅ
ꯑꯣꯀꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯣꯔꯠꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ threaten ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯍꯧꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯀꯝꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯍꯧꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ innocent accused ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯗꯟꯗꯤ ꯐꯪꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯐꯪꯉꯝꯗꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯥꯔꯠꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ law of perjury ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕꯅ ꯀꯣꯔꯠꯇ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯔꯥꯟꯕ statement ꯑꯔꯥꯟꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯁꯛꯇꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯣꯔꯠꯇ affidavit ꯂꯧꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯔꯠꯇ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯨꯠꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯔꯠꯇ ꯑꯔꯥꯟꯕ statement ꯄꯤꯕ false evidence ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯏꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯟ ꯄꯦꯅꯥꯜ ꯀꯣꯗꯀꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯟꯗꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯪꯉꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯥꯔꯠꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯥꯔꯠꯅ ꯇꯦꯜꯂꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛꯇꯪ ꯑꯣꯟꯂꯥꯏꯟꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯊꯥꯡꯗ ꯂꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯂꯣꯛꯇꯥꯛ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛ ꯂꯤꯒꯦꯜ ꯁꯥꯔꯚꯤꯁꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯅꯤꯅ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯒ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯝꯅꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯚ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯒꯦꯜ ꯇꯣꯛ ꯁꯣ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯂꯣ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯄꯔꯖꯨꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯛꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯥꯔꯠꯄꯨ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯂꯣꯛꯇꯥꯛ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛ ꯂꯤꯒꯦꯜ ꯁꯥꯔꯚꯤꯁꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯩ